no need to emphasize the analysis more because it is not the research equipment, isn't it? It is actually user equipment. So you try to make it user friendly. Unnecessary, you maybe put anything that is attractive to you, but it is complicated to the user. You get my point? So this is not the analysis in circuit. It is not a research equipment. So I need lot of things. Some people actually suddenly see frequency, time. What does mean by frequency? What does mean by something? Frequency means it is actually frequency generated from your system, isn't it? Like that? Your system is working or not. That is actually your you are keeping the record, isn't it? That means which time actually it generates which frequency, isn't it? Or what? So your frequency is variable or fixed. It is 60 kilohertz. So it is actually maybe the different. So your system will generate different frequency or same frequency, but sometimes frequency has, sometimes not. But like the, I'm not sure. Do you understand what I asking? I'm saying your frequency here is the 60 kilohertz. So if this side is the frequency, if it is the frequency, and this is the time, so it is mean sometime it has the very low frequency, then high frequency, high frequency, high frequency, high frequency. So it's like, but your system generate only a fixed value of frequency. I'm not sure what actually you want to mean by this type of graph.
Okay, we see.
You just try to understand, because maybe you can say my suggestion is like that. Okay, you can use this time, and it is actually remain on or off. You write down this, on or off, on or off. So it is actually remain this time on, this time on, this time on, this time on. How long time it is actually remain on, and how many long time it is actually remain off, isn't it? So you can say my system, and also you write down 1, 2, 3, which one is remain on and which one is remain off. You can also detect that one also if you want.
Okay, understand.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Timer.
Anything else? Yes, if you click button, then this is a start. That means you are actually writing a program so that it will be not continuously remain on. It will be remain for certain period of time, isn't it? Okay.
And this is
Okay, good, fine. So device leaves, device tutorial about and log out. So you do not log in. So why is that logging? You have login also? Where is the login? Can you check it again? Show me. Log in first. At first you have to log in. Oh, username and password. Okay. I got it. Okay, thank you. Your web apps is very nice. No problem. Second, anyone? Anything else for your circuit? Have you managed the circuit?
Ali will show you the simulation part.
Yes. No. Yes.
Wait, sir. Wait, I try to open.
No problem. I'm waiting. Don't be worried.
Okay, how to share?
Okay, just you click the green up
Okay,
arrow.
you see here?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. Okay. Wait, I have to open the Arduino first.
Okay. Okay, maybe few minutes later, the system will be automatically switch off. Then you will again log on. Still you have
Okay.
3 minutes. So you show no problem. Still we have 3 minutes. After that, maybe it will be disconnected. Now.
I don't know. It's just, my coding has a problem. Wait, I want to see why. Because actually I already did it and it working fine, but right now I have to compile it again and then it's problem.
It is okay. I think it is of course work, but if you want to show me, then you have to show, isn't it? I don't.
Yeah, I want to show.
Okay. It is not your exam. I told you. No. You have to show. Otherwise, I will not give you the mark. No, not like that. If you can run it and it is actually working, it's okay enough. But sometime when you show me, maybe I can find out some fault, or maybe I can advise you to improve. Then it will be helpful for you sometime, not always. Okay, anyone want to leave? Before leave, just write down your metric number in the chat. Though you are actually, your name is in the system, don't be worried. So better you write down your metric number in the chat or Zoom chat and send it to me. So if you text the time, then other groups can display, I think.
Okay, then. Okay, I can show you.
So other group, the okay, now it's ready.
I can show you.
Maybe after you will get 2 minutes maximum. After that, you'll be disconnected. Show me. Yes, I can see. Yes. So all are become pink color. Why?
Okay. So this is the graph. So actually we have a PR motion, right? So when we have two mode. When the PR motion doesn't detect anything, it will run at 22 kilohertz.
Okay.
But if we
yes, here is the switch.
if we change it to 1, means the PI motion will detect something. So the graph will run at what? Run at 60 kilohertz, I think. If I'm not mistaken, I said it so 60 kilohertz. Yeah, 60 kilohertz.
So generally at the beginning it will be run with the which frequency?
22.
22 kilohertz or only 22 hertz?
Yeah.
No, 22 hertz or 20 kilo? 20
kilohertz. 20 kilohertz and 60 kilohertz.
So why you use the 60 kilohertz suddenly? Is there any reason?
Okay, 50 or no? Okay, basically the monkey, we doesn't want the monkey to get used to the frequency. If we constantly set the frequency at the one frequency, the monkey will get used to it and the device will not be function properly.
Okay.
So we want to vary the frequency so the monkey will cannot get used to it. We're hoping that will happen.
Okay. Can I check where actually your probe is connected? You just close this window. That means close your oscilloscope. Yes. So you are connecting with the A. Sorry. You are connecting with the A. So you can see the A only. So A is your, okay. Nice. At least you understand how to do this one. It is actually